Country at number 91 is Continent, Asia. Name, Kyrgyzstan. Capital, Bishkek. Religion, Islam, Sunni, and Christianity. Country currency, Kyrgyzstani som. Language spoken, Kyrgyz, Russian. People are called Kyrgyz. Kyrgyzstan famous cities to visit. 1. Bishkek. 2. Istiklal. Country at number 92 is Continent, Asia. Name, Laos. Capital, Vientiane. Religion, Buddhism, Theravada. Country currency, Lao Kip. Language spoken, Lao. People are called Laotian. Laos famous cities to visit. 1. Vientiane. 2. Luang Prabang. Country at number 93 is Continent, Europe. Name, Latvia. Capital, Riga. Religion, Christianity, Lutheran and Catholic, and non-religious. Country currency, Euro. Language spoken, Latvian. People are called Latvian. Latvia famous cities to visit. 1. Riga. 2. Jamala. Country at number 94 is Continent, Asia. Name, Lebanon. Capital, Beirut. Religion, Islam, Shia and Sunni, Christianity, Maronite, Orthodox. Country currency, Lebanese pound. Language spoken, Arabic, French. People are called Lebanese. Lebanon famous cities to visit. 1. Beirut. 2. Byblos. Country at number 95 is Continent, Africa. Name, Lesotho. Capital, Maseru. Religion, Christianity, Roman Catholic and Protestant. Country currency, Lesotho Loti, South African Rand. Language spoken, English, Sesotho. People are called Basotho. Lesotho famous cities to visit. 1. Maseru. Country at number 96 is Continent, Africa. Name, Liberia. Capital, Monrovia. Religion, Christianity and Islam. Country currency, Liberian dollar. Language spoken, English. People are called Liberian. Liberia famous cities to visit. 1. Monrovia. Country at number 97 is Continent, Africa. Name, Libya. Capital, Tripoli. Religion, Islam, Sunni. Country currency, Libyan dinar. Language spoken, Arabic. People are called Libyan. Libya famous cities to visit. 1. Tripoli. 2. Benghazi. Country at number 98 is Continent, Europe. Name, Liechtenstein. Capital, Vaduz. Religion, Christianity, Roman Catholic. Country currency, Swiss franc. Language spoken, German. People are called Liechtensteiner. Liechtenstein famous cities to visit. 1. Vaduz. Country at number 99 is Continent, Europe. Name, Lithuania. Capital, Vilnius. Religion, Christianity. Roman Catholic. Country currency, Euro. Language spoken, Lithuanian. People are called Lithuanian. Lithuania famous cities to visit. 1. Vilnius. 2. Corners. Like, share and subscribe to Professor Merge for more content. Country at number 100 is Continent, Europe. Name, Luxembourg. Capital, Luxembourg. Religion, Christianity. Roman Catholic. Country currency, Euro. Language spoken, Luxembourgish, French, German. People are called Luxembourger. Luxembourg famous cities to visit. 1. Luxembourg City. Country at number 101 is Continent, Europe. Name, North Macedonia. Capital, Skopje. Religion, Christianity. Catholic and Orthodox. Country currency, Macedonian dinar. Language spoken, Macedonian. People are called Macedonian. North Macedonia famous cities to visit. 1. Skopje. 2. Ohrid. Country at number 102 is. Continent, Africa. Name, Madagascar. Capital, Antananarivo. Religion, Christianity and traditional beliefs. Country currency, Malagasy area. Language spoken, Malagasy, French. People are called Malagasy. Madagascar famous cities to visit. 1. Antananarivo. 2. Nosy. Country at number 103 is. Continent, Africa. Name, Malawi. Capital, Lilongwe. Religion, Christianity and Islam. Country currency, Malawian kwacha. Language spoken, Malawi English, Chichewa. People are called Malawian. Malawi famous cities to visit. 1. Lilongwe. 2. Lake Malawi. Country at number 104 is. Continent, Asia. Name, Malaysia. Capital, Kuala Lumpur. Religion, Islam. Official religion, Buddhism, Christianity, Hinduism. Country currency, Malaysian ringgit. Language spoken, Malay. People are called Malaysian. Malaysia famous cities to visit. 1. Kuala Lumpur. 2. Penang. 3. Langkawi. Country at number 105 is. Continent, Asia. Name, Maldives. Capital, Male. Religion, Islam, Sunni. Country currency, Maldivian rupiah. Language spoken, Dive. People are called Maldivian. Maldives famous cities to visit. 1. Male. 2. Marfushi.